AI, huh? It's changing everything. We can now just log on, type something, it'll spit out what we want, the answer to everything. We can give it a couple of text prompts, it'll spit out a picture, video, cloning voices, cloning likenesses of people. On one hand, it's as cool as heck. And on the other hand, it's terrifying because this AI is great to be able to sort of manufacture out of thin air anything we want. But if it's you that they're manipulating, how's that going to work for you? Suddenly you're going to have a different impression of AI. And this is something that Elon Musk, God bless him and his billions, has been talking about. We need to halt any more development of AI because, there's no oversight as to what it can do and to whom it can do it to. So he suggested that we all stop for 6 months developing anything to do with AI. Now, really? Do you think we're going to do that? Do you think that'll happen? I mean, if I'm a competitor of Elon Musk and you've just told me, well, for humanity's sake, we should just stop. Think about what we're doing. Would I stop because you said so? Or would I invest everything into making this the biggest, baddest AI ever? Of course I would. I'm not going to do what you say. Now, I don't disagree that it's a fantastic idea to have oversight because this could shove us right down the rabbit hole we don't want to go. And let's not forget, AI could be biased. I mean, if you're a right-wing person and you have an AI that's going to spit out ideologies on the right. If you're on the left, well, you're going to do things that give answers that lean towards the left. So what Elon Musk has now suggested is Truth GPT. And he says it's going to be the best path to safety in the sense that AI cares about understanding the universe and being unlikely to annihilate humans like the Cyberdyne systems. So whilst I think it's a fantastic idea, whose truth are we now listening to? Elon's truth? The trouble is whether AI gives us a response or Google traditional search gives us a response, we're really just getting information from somewhere and we need to think about, is it right? And do we just accept that? Or do we take what we're reading or what we're hearing from AI with a pinch of salt? I think at the end of the day, it comes down to who's got the biggest salt shaker. Let's see what happens from here. Either way, it's going to be interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.